Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make the most demanding snack as well as a starter across the globe. So today we are making everyone's favorite chicken nuggets. So let's get started. Into a blender, add in some garlic and ginger and give it a blend. Now add some boneless chicken pieces and again blend it. Now transfer that into a bowl and let's add in the spices. Add some salt, some garam masala, some pepper powder and some red chili powder. You can adjust the chili powder according to your spice level. Now add in some lime juice and give it a mix. Now whisk an egg and keep it aside. Now grease your palm with some vegetable oil. Now take small portion of the chicken and make it into a nugget shape. Now dip this nugget in egg. And coat it in breadcrumbs. Now our one chicken nugget is ready for frying. Make all the nugget pieces in the same manner. Once all the nugget pieces are ready, you have to keep this in refrigerator for 1 hour or keep it in freezer for 5 minutes. Now heat some oil and fry these nugget pieces in medium to low flame. The heat is really important here because if you increase the heat to high, the outer portion of the nuggets will turn brown but the inside chicken will not get cooked. So always maintain the heat medium to low. Once these nuggets turns into crispy brown shade, take it out. Our super delicious chicken nuggets are ready. You can enjoy these nuggets with some mayo or some tomato ketchup. So definitely try out this recipe and give your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.